Hello, I'm Pavel Baturin, a landscape photographer living in Serbia. Apart from natural beauties, this country can offer a huge variety of beautiful historical places that will look great in your Instagram. And today I will show you some of them and give you some useful tips. In the northwest of Serbia, near the border of Croatia, there are the ruins of the fortress of Bač, founded I think in the 13th or 18th centuries by a medieval ruler of Hungary. The fortress became a very important center in many branches of life of that time for the whole region of Pannonian Plain, until it was captured by the Ottomans in the 16th century. So the fortress changed hands over the following centuries and was almost destroyed. It's now a place of amazing historical beauty. The possibilities are endless here for creating photos with unique compositions that will blow up your Instagram beyond belief. All those holes in the fortress walls, piles of stones. Please be careful. If you foolishly be injured, your insurance won't cover it. Come here from April to November, morning or evening, and you definitely won't be disappointed. It's almost impossible to live here without great pictures. But if you managed to do that, maybe I'll have to give you a lesson of composition. I don't mind. Now let's move to the southwest of the country. Here, on a cliff near the town of Užice, are the ruins of another fortress, the Old Town. I don't know what this fort looked like before its destruction in the enlightened 18th century, but now the fortress of Užice attracts attention in full force. Standing on a rocky cliff above the mountain river, surrounded by high mountains, the tower of fortress looks majestic from any angle. And the mountain range in the background makes the tower stand out and makes any photo look delightfully three-dimensional. I would recommend visiting this fortress in winter. Then the lush foliage on the trees doesn't obscure anything and doesn't distract from the moody panorama of the historic ruins. Don't forget to put a like under this video and subscribe to my channel. And we will head to the next breathtaking place. Let's visit central Serbia. Here, tucked away in the hills near the town of Dispatovac, sits the ancient Manasija monastery. Founded over 6 centuries ago, the Orthodox monastery was walled to protect it from the many claimants to the land. You may not be a religious person, but it's impossible not to marvel at how these walls and churches look in the surrounding landscape. I recommend thinking of hiking the peaks around here in the summertime, because it's from the heights that the view of Manasya is particularly impressive. Now, let's move on to Belgrade, the capital of the Republic. In the historic Zemun neighborhood, here is an incredibly beautiful tower that used to be part of the fortress. The Gardish Tower boasts not only fanciful architecture, but also, importantly, a breathtaking view of the city. You can buy a ticket and climb the spiral staircase to the roof during business hours, and you definitely won't regret it. Your Instagram followers will flood you with questions about this place, and that's almost guaranteed. If I managed to get you interested in Serbia and you decide to head here to get some extraordinary shots, let me know if you'd like some company or a photo masterclass. We'll work something out together and it will be fun. And now thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Ciao for now.